All right, so now you got the peach right here. This one right here. There you go. Wait.
Yeah, what do you do?
Let me get mine. Let me get mine. All right, I have the juicy pear, the booger, really. All right, here we go. Cheers. 1, 2, 3. You gotta try it now.
Okay, eat it.
I ain't eating this. What, you don't know what it is?
It's the surprise. Eat it.
No.
It tells you what
Eat
kind.
it. Eat it.
It tells you
Eat
what
it.
kind it was.
Huh?
It was the peach.
Yeah, yours is peach.
What are you supposed to eat it for?
See what it tastes like?
What is it?
Peach.
Peach jelly bean. Does it taste like peach? You got it.
He got the peach.
Tastes like pussy.
He got the peach.
You better not.
It's pussy. No.
You better not.
This one tastes like a pear. It is a pear.
Fuck that's supposed to be.
Try it.
Try it. It's a game.
What's the game?
Watch.
What's the part? I'm watching. That's why I'm watching.
Let him fucking see the game.
It's all right.
Excuse my
I told you to
friend.
spin.
What's
Pick
that?
one.
He didn't eat the
Try
first one. You gotta eat the peach.
You gotta eat it. It's the peach one.
Come on. This is a video.
I don't eat this shit. I don't know what it is. I don't eat candy.
You already licked it. Bite at least.
Bite at it
Bite
at
at
least.
So what's it supposed to taste?
Oh, you got lucky. You
Peach?
got the peach.
He don't get
If
it.
not, you would have got it's peach or barf.
Barf tastes like
You
barf.
like barf.
It does.
Yeah.
Would
got
you
the
like to
peach.
taste
got
one?
lucky.
Tell him the other ones, booger.
The other ones are wet dog, old bandage, booger, liver and onion, dead fish, sticky socks,
Kids can't.
burnt rubber, stinky bugs, and wet dog. Dude, but it really, it's like that. If you taste it,
Some kids game or something?
yeah, no, my daughter got it. She was like, try it with the guys. I said, sure, I'll try it. But dude, you bite into one. My daughter bit into which one was it yesterday? The liver and onions. You smell the onions popping. I was like, oh, you got the wrong one.
Oh shit.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, try them again.
Try it.
I'm hungry.
He's